Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create a fillable PDF form and make it read only. First open your fillable PDF form, so fillable PDF form, PDF form. Now I will create a fillable PDF now. Click this form option. Here you will find this text field, list box, combo box, check box, radio and button tools. And click this text field for typing text fillable and doorway text box area and click right button for properties. Click general option. Here you can change text field name. This text field outline color means border color, line style solid, line thickness medium, and fill color is choose white, and text font size. You can choose custom font size. I'll choose auto and text color black and click other color and now click define custom color and click option. This alignment, text alignment in text field. I'll align this text from left and now click this action and click format. You can add date field, time field and a special number. I type your text and number. Now click hand option and type here number and text. Now I'll add here date of birth, date field and click right button for properties, text field name, outline color, right, font size, text color and click format option. Select your date field and select here any kinds of date format. I'll choose this one and change text color white and field color. Now click close and type your text. Yeah, this sorry. I'll choose this text format and click and type here. Yeah, this and now I'll add here checkbox. Click this checkbox tool and do your checkbox. And click right button for properties and change checkbox outline color, this color, line thickness thick, solid and text. Click option. Here you can change check circle. I'll choose a circle. Now click close and option circle. Now I'll add here another checkbox. This is click right button for properties. Click general. Change outline color red, thick, fill color white and text color black and click option. I'll choose here check automatically. This is okay. Now I'll add here email. Click text field, format none and now click close. Simply type here your email. So email, okay. And now I'll convert this fillable PDF form to read only. Firstly, click this text fill tools and click right button for properties and choose here read only. Choose here read only. Also, you can select all of this and choose here read only. Read only. Read only. Read only. Now click close. Now you cannot edit this fillable PDF from now. Is remain flat. And finally click this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.